It's our 10th edition, and we always wanted to meet the moment, and the moment right now is really this emergence of this machine intelligence, and that's why we also renamed it, make it much more open, much more interactive. There's really everything from robotics to brain chips to how science changes, how society changes. So it's really a great mix that we have this year.
Conferences like AMLD are great venues because it brings together on the one side people from industry and then also people from academia. I think we have a very, very good audience to bridge that gap.
And I have to say, it's much more dynamic and it allows for people not to stay passive but become active and part of the discussion. I think that's very valuable.
It's really a top-notch event here with incredible speakers. I mean, we heard from the CEO of Proton today. We have incredible entrepreneurs both in the French area of Switzerland, but in Switzerland as a whole.
I just love the energy here. I feel it's just bursting with ideas, with innovation, so it's really nice to be part of this dynamic.
I would really recommend it to my students, and I think I'm going to attend from next year.